Hey everybody, come on in. It's Monday evening and I'm getting ready to do a real quick one. It has been in excess of 100 degrees here today, and I mean, when I tell you it's been hot here today. So we're going to do something quick and easy, a kid's favorite. I'm going to do some chili cheese fries. How about that? So they just going to be able to eat chili cheese fries to their heart content. So what I'm going to do first here is I've got some ground turkey. Y'all know I use turkey products when it comes to making dishes like this. So this is a 3 pound package of ground turkey. So I've got it in my pan. I'm browning it up, so to speak, and I've chopped up a large onion. I'm going to put in there, and again, turkey meat secretes a lot of juices. So this onion is going to be in here, and it's going to just be simmered in. It's not exactly a saute because it has a lot of water already in there, but that's okay. It's going to work out fine, y'all. Oh, I forgot one thing. I need to turn my mic on. So, I'm sure y'all heard me. So here we go, y'all. I've got 3 pounds of ground turkey in here, as I've said, and one large onion so far. This is as far as I've gotten so far. And what I'm going to do is just get it all mixed up here together. I'm going to let those onions kind of cook into that meat a little bit before I put my tomato paste and my other ingredients into it. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want each one of these ingredients to be pretty much cooked by the time I put the tomato paste in there. Don't ask me why, that's just me. And I'm going to add to this a couple teaspoons of my complete seasoning, a couple teaspoons of, you got it, garlic powder. You got to put that garlic powder in there and get that flavor going. So got those 2 dry ingredients in there. So this is based on now 3 pounds of ground turkey. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple tablespoons of mild chili powder. And you got to have that chili flavor. And this is going to be basically chili for hot dogs and such. I'm not going to do beans in this particular chili. It's going to be hot dog chili. That's what you use. I guess I could put beans in it, but kids probably won't even like beans in it, so I'm not going to do beans. So this is going to be strictly a chili without beans, okay? And we're going to do some fries and cheese with it. Oh, yum, yum. Now this meat, like it is wonderful. I could serve it probably over that ground turkey just like it is. We're going to do a chili out of it. So we're going to let that cook there. I've been had it on the stove now for about 15 minutes because 3 pounds, it takes a little bit of time for it to go ahead and get cooked up. So while that is cooking, over here on this burner, I've got my big roasting pan. You can see right here. This is where I'm going to put my fries. And rather than deep frying and all that, I've melted a half a cup of butter on there. Now I'm getting it all over the stove. Half a cup of butter and a fourth of a cup of cooking oil. And what I'm going to do is just put those fries right onto that, and they're going into a real about a 450 degree oven. I'm going to bake them for about 20 or 30 minutes so they get nice and crisp, and when they come out of the oven, they'll be ready to serve. So that cuts down on the deep fat frying and all that kind of thing. So I'm gonna just let that continue to cook for a minute or two, and then one other thing that I'm gonna add into it too. I've got some of this Lipton onion soup mix secret recipes. I'm not going to put the whole pack in there. I'm just going to put a half a pack. And I think I might have, Man is in here watching. He wants to know how to make chili. Man, look in that cabinet and see if you see another pack that looks like this is already open. It's a half pack. Look sort of over on that side. Over. It might be where all those things are right there. Okay. Yeah, he wanted to learn how to make chili. So if they show an interest
Hey,
in
YouTube.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna let you say hey in just a sec. I have to move the camera so they can see your face. But in fact, they just came from the pool, so they're hanging out with me this evening. It is really hot. Karan took the kids to the pool today. No, it's gonna be just like Miss Little said, Lipton. I'm just making sure. I thought I had one already open. I was trying to keep them open and moving. But anyway, Karan took the kids to the pool, which was wonderful. They loved it. They enjoyed it. So, you know, when they come out of that pool, they're good and hungry. So I decided, you know what? It's too hot to be in the kitchen for a long time. I'm going to go ahead and put a half a pack of this Lipton secret recipe. Not a lot. Stick that back in the cabinet for me, baby. So, this is going to be some real good chili. You know, turkey meat makes real good recipes. I love using it. So, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and put in there, I got 2 cans of tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and add the tomato paste to it. And I'm sure it's going to take 2 cans. Went ahead and opened the 1 can. And I'll rinse that. Y'all know I'm not going to leave too much in there, don't you? I'll rinse that out in just a second. But this is, I mean, it's really simple to make. Chili is just real simple to make. So if I wanted to make chili to eat in a bowl with crackers and all that, I would add some. The only other thing different I do would be to add some beans to it. And I'm not doing it. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to do beans unless somebody talks me into it now. Okay, so rinse that little bit out. And I think 2 cans is going to be enough because, you know, tomato paste is real sharp. It's a real strong mixture. Man, hand me a big spoon from over there, please. That one will be fine. Thank you much. Okay, now I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Y'all know how to have ketchup in there. Okay? And then give it a nice stir. And we're going to want this chili to be nice and thick. Do y'all think I would like beans in your chili?
Oh.
Ouch. That pan's hot, y'all.
You don't like beans here? No, because beans make me go.
They said, you know, beans. They don't want beans. They don't want beans in the chili, so we ain't going to put no beans in the chili. That's nice and thick now. So, you know, I'm going to have to get my sugar going in here. I'm going to do 1/4 cup for right now, but you have to get the sugar going in there because you got to cut that tartness. Because, you know, or maybe you didn't know, tomato paste is really sharp. And we don't want it too sharp. So I'm going to switch over now. I'm going to let that cook just a little bit, and I'm going to switch over now and go ahead and start putting my fries on here and get them seasoned up and get them into the oven. So that's going to be my next deal. Also, I've got these burners on, and I got my pan that I'm going to put into the oven. Let's see, we're going to go ahead and go with, I'm going to put it on the convection. I'm going to put it on 400 degrees. Okay. And we're going to let this chili slowly cook. It's pretty much ready. I just got to get it seasoned up. I've got all the ingredients in there. I've got it seasoned. Got a taste of it and see what it tastes like to make sure I got everything like it should be. So, let's see. Got my hot grease going. Got these burners on because I wanted to heat that. My pan is puckering. You know when you use an aluminum pan on top of stove, you get it really hot. The center will pucker on you. Now it's puckering on me. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to distribute that oil so it'll be all over the pan. Okay? Alright. Y'all, I went to Sam's Club and I bought an 8-pound bag of fries. So, I don't know. I'm hoping, let's see. Yeah, I can put the camera right there now. This is my big old 8-pound bag. So I'm just going to fill this. 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 I'm just going Spread them out like so. And I want to make, what I'm doing is making sure that all that butter and the oil gets onto the fries. This will suffice for it, you know, they won't have to be deep fried. And between them, Man, Laura, Tania, and Kareem, I'm sure they'll take care of these fries. Okay. I think that's going to be enough on the pan. What do y'all think? So now the next thing I'm going to do to them is go ahead and get me some garlic powder sprinkle on them, because we want oh yeah, season, baby. That's what it's seasoned. Man was asking me, "Oh, Grandma, you put garlic on fries?" I told him, "Yeah, you got to get that flavor in there." See, well, I be whipping stuff up here in this kitchen. Y'all don't know what I be putting on it. Make it extra good. So I'm gonna put me some complete seasoning on there as well. And there's all kinds of stuff that you can put on fries to get them, you know, get them all seasoned up real good. Okay, y'all, I think the chili is to the point where I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. I did add about a half a cup of water because it's very, very thick. You want it thick, but not so thick where it won't cook and start sticking. So the flavors are right. 3 pounds of ground turkey, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, a half a cup of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a tablespoon of complete seasoning, a tablespoonful of garlic powder, and about a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer while these fries cook over here. Now the fries, I've seasoned them, of course, with the garlic powder, a little complete seasoning, butter, well, not butter, but Smart Balance. I'm going to put some Smart Balance right on top of them. I got plenty on the bottom, just want to make sure I have enough, so that when they go into the oven, they'll saturate it with the oil and the butter. Well, we're just going to call it butter for the sake of me having to correct myself, okay? Just make sure you get them stirred and saturated. Okay, y'all, there it is. Dinner is about to be served. That bubbling hot chili is ready for those fries. See those fries and the cheese over there on the far right, and of course right over here to your left. That's just a bowl of salad. That's a repeat from Sunday. That's cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and zucchini chopped up. And I did some vinaigrette dressing over it. Any kind of dressing you choose. Just chop those veggies up, let them soak in that juice for a little bit, and they make the best side salad that you've ever had. And I think it's going to complement this meal well, because it's so simple. This takes about 15 minutes to put together and another 30 minutes to get it all cooked up, and probably about an hour you can have this on the table. Of course, it's a kid favorite because we got french fries going on, so y'all know children love fries. So on these hot days, and like I said, today has been a really hot day, 98 to 100 degrees. So this is what we're having for dinner. The kids are all here. They've been in the pool. They're tired. They're hungry. So I whipped this up for them right quick. So this is what we're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy. So listen, guys, thank you as always for checking in with me and to see what I'm cooking, got going. You know, I always got something going on in the kitchen. So tonight is chili cheese fries and a side salad with zucchini, cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, and a vinaigrette dressing. So, listen, y'all, it's hot. I'm tired. I'm ready to get out of this kitchen because I did have to turn the oven on to do these fries. So, anywho, y'all, hope y'all having a God bless Monday. Hope you got something good planned for tomorrow. And if it's hot in your area, stay out of that heat, y'all. Cook you something simple and cool to eat. Keep praying for one another. Keep those prayers going up, because there's still things going on in the world where we need to pray. And there's still some of this inclement weather going around. Nobody is out of the woods yet with the weather. So y'all just keep praying for each other, keep praying for yourself, and pray for your best self to come forward so that you can be some of help to your family and friends. So listen, y'all, until I decide to cook something else tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to say love you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in one more time. And hey, Shonda, Karan told me about you. So hey, girl, shout out to you, Shonda, right here in my hometown. Okay, so ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, we get ready to relax and enjoy this meal. And until I cook again, love you guys. Keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Toodaloo.